Okay, hey guys, it's Henry here and my brother over there. We're gonna play some soccer. I got it in the last one like 3 times already. Let's see. Let's see if I can do it anymore. Let's go. All you gonna be doing this.
Out.
We can't touch
No,
that.
you're not allowed to touch that chair right now.
You're going to keep that. I'm recording. That's recording.
What?
Ryan, don't do anything. Ryan, you want to be quiet. I'll hold it.
Four minutes.
Yeah, 4 minutes, no hours. Well, if it's 1 hour, that's okay.
I'm the cameraman. Henry. At the end, they show who's being the cameraman and stuff. Okay. Anyways, so few more tries.
Last kick. One remaining.
Okay, so our cameraman was Max. Go check out his channel, Max Tang.
No. I'm changing the name to Hofstone 1C245.
Okay, so he has 8 subscribers. I already have 1. He's subscribed to my channel. Anyways, it's been 6 minutes and 6 seconds. So yeah, that's all. Lee, what are you doing with that stick? Give me it. Give me it.
I'm gonna make a part 2.
I might make a part 2 or maybe a try not to laugh challenge. That was a part 1.
I was thinking of the final last time.
Yeah, we were gonna do a try not to laugh challenge soon. Maybe like tonight. Yeah. So
Bye.
peace out. Oh yeah, go check out our channel, the Swordfish, the Dime. If you haven't watched it. Or my Sonic dance thing, you know, my On the Here All Night song that Sonic and Mario were dancing to. I will put another one
Look.
because I've been busy a lot. I've been busy for like 3 weeks. So yeah.
Stop recording.
Why?
That's enough.
Okay, whatever. Just bye. Okay, we're going back. Let's go.